Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Umar, and in this tutorial we will create this wrench in AutoCAD. We will use this drawing to create this part. So let's go to AutoCAD. Here you can see I am using AutoCAD 2018, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to this drop down, select New, and select this template ACAD. First of all, I will put off these grids, and here you can see I'm using drafting and annotation workspace. Also, I'll go to my command line. I will write units, and you can see the default units are inches, so I will change it to millimeters. Also, you can change the precision and select OK. Now you can see we have a polygon here with 6 sides, so it is a hexagon, and this radius is 24, and it is 150 millimeters away from this arc. Okay, this is the pitch. I will go to this drop down. I will select polygon. The number of sides are 6, and the center of polygon is here. It is inscribed, and the radius is 24. Okay. I don't want this UCS icon. Right click and select this option, show UCS icon at origin. So it will be moved from here to here. Okay. Now you can see it is not the correct orientation. So I will rotate this 90 degrees. I will select this polygon. I will use this option rotate. I will select this center point, and I will rotate it in 90 degrees. I will put on this option ortho, and I will rotate it like this. Okay. I will make one line 150 millimeters away from this center point. It is the pitch. So let's make one line like this, 150. Okay. Now I will make another line, and I will use the offset command, and I will offset it 15 millimeters in the both directions. So I will write O. O is the shortcut key for offset. The distance is 15, and I will offset it 15 millimeters in both directions. Now you can see we have a circle here. Basically it is arc, and the radius is 41, which means that its diameter is 82. So I'll go to here, circle, center with diameter. I will snap its center point, and I will make one circle having diameter 82, like this. Now I will trim this portion. So I will select trim command, press enter key, and I will delete these lines. Okay. Now we have an arc here of radius 15. You can see here. So go to your AutoCAD, and I will select circle, center with radius. I will snap this center point, and I will make one circle like this. I will use pen tool. Now you can see I don't want this portion, and I don't want this line. So I will delete this line. This is just for reference. Go to here, trim command, press enter key. I will delete this inside portion and this portion. It is not completed. Now you can see we have a radius here of 50, and you can achieve it using fillet command, or you can achieve it using 10-10 radius command. So go to here AutoCAD, and let's go to here circle, 10-10 radius. I will select this circle. I will select this line, and I will provide its radius, which is 50, and select enter. Now I will select trim command, press enter key. I will delete this line, and this circle. Now we need to apply this arc on this side. So for this we have a command called mirror. Select objects, this one, press enter key. Select this center point and click here. Press enter key. Now I will delete this line. Okay, these two lines are not part of the geometry. So press trim, enter key, delete this line and this line. Now you can see we have separate entities. Let's say this arc, and this line, this arc. So for this we have a command called join. I will write join, press enter key, I will select whole sketch. Now you can see it is a closed contour. So let's move from 2D workspace to 3D. Go to here this icon and select this option 3D modeling. Also, I will change it to isometric. So for using press fill command, you have to be inside the contour, otherwise this command will not work. So let's make an extrusion of 5 millimeters. Let's change the visual style from 2D wireframe to shaded, or maybe shades of gray. Okay. So that's how you can model simple parts in AutoCAD. Here is an important message, and that is some students were approaching me, and if you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and ANSYS, different engineering topics like simulations, sheet metal, manufacturing, etc., assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through the email, and I will provide my email in the description link. So that concludes this exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.